Hey, it's Sammy. On Wednesday, January 22nd, we took 5 trades in Dow Futures with the YM symbol, made 139 points. Let's take a look here. We had our first trade was a break even, and we had 4 winners. This is our break even trade. You can see we were kind of trying to go up and challenge the high of day. We had the trade protected already. It came down. We were up about 15 points when we hit that aqua line. That's that deviation 2 line. And then we reversed off of that line. This is pre-market, not a ton of volume. Now we're doing a reversal trade off the high of day. This is really important because you have to understand the way markets work. Nobody wants to buy when there's no more value. So we hit the high of day. We hit the volume gap high area, and we're working with this volume area high in the volume profile. Of course, the trade is protected. You can see that stop loss is already moved into profit. So this is a risk-free trade at this point. We're going to let it run down. Really what we're looking at is maybe trying to test VWAP. Not sure if we're going to make it that far. Kind of getting stuck at this gap short and value area high level here. As we punch through it, we're going to go ahead and just lock in 30 points here right when we hit the green line, which is deviation 1 high. So here's the funny part. If you look to the left, that pink line, the trade we just took actually did go all the way through and hit VWAP. So we would have hit that take profit target. However, there was only short time frame data. The market pulled back. So we entered that trade again short, already have the trade protected, and we're just coming down here to try and test deviation 1. We're going to lock in 39 points when we hit the value area low. Now you can see the market already went down. It found value at the value area low. We have the reversal now. This is after the open. That move short was the open move. Now we're going back up long to test deviation 1, value area high. You can see open line is up there as well. We just moved that stop loss up to protect the trade, so we now have a risk-free trade. With all this excess momentum, sentiment, and volatility kind of realigning on the short time frames, you can see we quickly hit that take profit of 38 points. Now we're starting to come up through the open price, through the value area high, and we're working our way up to deviation 2. We've got short time frame data aligning with the high time frame on the sentiment side. Our momentum is still only on the short time frames. We're pulling back through the open price. We got the trade protected. There is a volume gap that's right up here that I just marked on the chart. We can punch through that volume gap and probably make it all the way up. Let's see how this plays out. You can see we keep coming down and testing that open price over and over and over, testing deviation 1, testing value high. All the sentiment is still holding. We don't have much momentum. That's why we're in this choppy move. We got the direction right. We got that strategy and that theory right, but we don't have the data to completely back this move up. However, we do have enough data to get up here. Let's check it out. Once this punches through this gap zone here and starts to struggle, we're just going to lock in 32 points and be done for the day.